Establishments polluting the Laguna Lake get a fresh warning from the government. They must fix their wastewater facilities or be meted the necessary sanctions. This report.
The Laguna Lake Development Authority has issued a cease and desist order in one of the branches of a popular fast food chain located in Shaw Boulevard, preventing them from continuously discharging pollutive wastewater. According to LLDA General Manager Nery Acosta, they notified the said branch of the fast food chain for several times to conform with the standards and fix their water treatment, but to no avail.
Pero hindi gumagana ito, obviously hindi siya nililinis, wala pong filtering. Ang sanction po ay sasara natin ang source nitong lahat na tubig. Yung mga gripo po nila, mga pipes po nila, yun ang sinasara po natin.
At present, according to Acosta, thousands of establishments have been given a notice of violation in order for them to install or conduct a repair of their respective water facilities. Acosta warns that they cannot do anything but also issue a cease and desist order against that will continuously discharge of pollutive wastewater that eventually drains to the Laguna de Bay.
Kapag may notice of violation, meron silang anywhere from 5 to 10,000 a day na penalties. Pero kung hindi pa rin nila ginagawa, eto na, mag-CDO na kami, cease and desist order. Sa notice of violation, yun na lang po, warning na yon, magtayo na po kayo, mag-install na po kayo.
On the part of the management of the fast food chain, they are regularly conducting an inspection into their water facility according to them.
Actually, every morning naman po, ini-inspect yan. I don't know bakit ngayon, parang kailan pa yung papad, pa nagloko siya. Pero every morning po, sir, may nagpupunta po dito, may nagsasampling every morning po.
The LLDA clarifies that the cease and desist order does not cover the operation of the fast food chain, but it only prohibits the concern to release the discharge of pollutive waters. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltasar.